What we're looking at is the portable headlight bracket and the power for the portable headlight. Now there's a wire in here going through this porcelain plug with a brass tube, which is the socket. The gray wire goes up inside the cab to a headlight switch on this end, and then the power goes out here into the lamp, which is plugged in here, and this frame is the ground. So on the other side, on the back, where you can see the brazing on the corner of that brace, is where the ground wire is attached, but it's attached underneath. There's a 3-inch bolt that goes down through the floor, and the wire is in a loop around that and bolted onto it. So we made this block. These are the original parts. Fortunately, they were all saved. And this is all hand forged somehow by the Laconia Car Company. And they didn't do it very straight, but so we're not going to change it. They have just one headlight on this, which is carried from end to end and plugged in here. Now the problem is if you pick this headlight up without unplugging it, it's live because you then become the ground. So in the old days, you lived on the edge.
So that's where they came up with the term enlightening?
I don't know, Phil.
It would be enlightened?
You would be briefly, yes. This locomotive is equipped with one headlight that was carried from end to end. It's a Golden Glow 12-inch headlight sold by the Electric Services Company, and it was actually made by Kraus-Heinz Company in Syracuse, New York. This plug is for the 600-volt power, or actually it's 120-volt power because there's a special resistor on the other end of the car. The power comes, well, I'm going to put this up on here. This is mounted on a bracket, which, by the way, we haven't quite finished installing yet. And hung there. It's going to fall over. It looks like it's going to fall over now because it's not.
The bracket's not quite secured.
Not quite bolted down.
Yeah.
So then you plug this in after it's grounded. That is hanging on there, and away you go. When you want to go the other direction, you carry this around the other end. Makes this, we call it a cyclops light. It sort of looks like a one-eyed monster, though we haven't turned it on yet. We just checked the wiring yesterday after we installed it to make sure that it was all right.